In this video, I'll show you how to change the payment method in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the right hand side, click on your profile. Now, below your profile, you want to head over to the bottom and click on the fourth option, which is account and billing. Now, once you click on account and billing, it will automatically take you to the overview of your bill. As you can see here, my next estimated bill is $22. At the top bar, click on the third option, which is billing. And below that, head over to the second option, which is billing information. Now, on the billing information section, in here you will automatically see the payment method in which we have used. Now, in order for you to change this, head over to the right hand side and click on change. And at the bottom, you will have two options, either PayPal or a card. Now, let's say you want to set a card. Now, in here, you need to add your card number, the expiry date, as well as the security code. I will add an example here. Let's add an expiry date, as well as our security code. There should be 3 digits. At the bottom, you have to choose your currency. In here, I have set it as USD. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on Save. Once you click on save, it will review your card. And once it's done, it will automatically say that the card number in which we have added here has automatically changed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.